Indian curry, right? It's called the bhaji, and that's the bread there. Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. It's your friend John. How are you all? I believe you guys are fine. Guys, today I'm gonna show you something very unique that you get here on the street of Kolkata. It's called the pav bhaji. Okay, pav means like a bread. This is the bread, and this is called the bhaji, right? So I'm gonna explore this place and show you the way they make this, and yeah, let's go explore this place. And if you're watching my vlog for the first time, guys, please subscribe. Let's go. Guys, look, this is the way they make the pav bhaji. That's the bread that they're frying in the butter, right? And this is the bhaji. Bhaji is the Indian curry, right? This is how it is. So look, guys. So, brother, how are you? आप कैसे हो? आप ठीक हो? Okay, guys, he's fine. Look. So this is like the Indian curry, right? It's called the bhaji, and that's the bread there. Look, guys. So basically, he added this, chopped onion, and this is the coriander leaf. That's the, green chili. And what is this, brother? ये वाला क्या?
Maggi masala, chaat masala.
Oh, guys, this is the Maggi masala, and this is the chaat masala. आप खुद से बनाते हैं chaat masala? Okay. So this brother here makes this, spices by himself, right? And the shop looks like this. I'm gonna show you the shop from the far. Okay, let's see the way the shop looks. So I'm in an environment called New Market, right? And if you want to try, the shop is right opposite the Simpark, Simpark Mall. As you can see, it is written in yellowish, Simpark Mall, right? You can just come opposite the Simpark Mall and try this brother's pav bhaji, right? So guys, look. Now this is the bread, right? This is called the pav, right? And this is the bhaji. And it's just so crazy, the way they make this, and the environment looks like this. And the craziest part that is that, just look at the pan. The pan is massive, guys. Now they put whole different kind of spices in this, and I think they put carrot and beetroot and all the vegetables that you can think of, and green bell pepper and red bell pepper, right? This is how it is, guys. And this place is a chaotic place, okay? This is the month of December. Today is the 12th December, right? It's just so chaotic. Right now the time is about 2 in the afternoon. So people love to come here to shop and all. And guys, this is the samosa, right? Samosa in Bengali you call this singara, right? But all over India they call this samosa. This is how it is, guys. Look. Now I showed you, right? He adds all different kind of ingredients in this pav bhaji. So basically he takes this a curry, and he serves you on that white plate there, and he adds the topping here, and that's the bread there, right? He toasts the bread on this pan here with butter on it. Anything else you sell? Apart from pav bhaji, pav bhaji छोड़ के कुछ और बेचता है क्या? Only pav bhaji. Okay. Guys, he only sells pav bhaji, right? So what's your name, brother? Say hi to my friends. Hi बोल दो दोस्त लोग. Hi. What's your name? आपका नाम क्या है?
Anil Kumar Khonka.
His name is Anil Kumar. Guys, come and find him. He sits just opposite Simpark Mall. He's a very cool dude. Come and find him and try this pav bhaji that he serves you, right? This is how it is, guys. Now look. So if you tried this pav bhaji, guys, please do let me know in the comment, right? That will be fun to know. And yeah, so this brother only sells pav bhaji. Now they have whole different kind of shops here. This brother is selling. Hello, brother. So this brother is selling some sort of a puri, right? That's how they try it. And this is how it is, guys. So if you just walk down the lane here, right to the top is all street food and closed shops. As you can see, people are just so busy, shopping. And this is just a chaotic place, right? This is the month of December, so Christmas is coming up. Today is the 12th December, so people are just shopping. It's crazy. It's nice. So he has a fire burning down there to keep this a curry. It's called the bhaji, right? To keep it hot and warm for people or customer to come and enjoy, right? This is how it is, guys. Okay, brother. Thank you for your time. You have a great day. Shake hand, brother. Thank you. Appreciate it, man. Okay, guys. That was me, that was me trying to show you the authentic, street food that you get here in the street of Kolkata. It's called the pav bhaji, right? And guys, it will be fun to know, if you let me know in the comment, did you try this pav bhaji right before? So, pav is the bread and the bhaji is the curry. That is right over here, right? This is how it is, okay? I really hope you enjoyed the vlog. It's your friend John. Let's make memories, love, peace. Bye bye, guys. Tata.